Hello, welcome back to Marketers React, the show where I react to 3 adverts that my team have put together, which they found on social. Let's get started, shall we? The first advert is, I'm not sure what it's for, but let's press play. Spoiler alert, sneak peek at Cult Beauty's advent calendar. Wow, that's a cool idea, look at that. It's like meant to look like UGC, I imagine, so they shot it on their phone, going through all the products. Pretty simple advert. So one thing they've done here, which I've seen quite a lot of brands doing recently, is using text styling, which is native to a platform. For example, TikTok, Instagram, we see certain types of text in the reels, in the videos, because they're native to that platform. And it also helps because the user's quite familiar with those text styles, so they instantly kind of have a connection to it and engage a little easier with it.
Hello? I love you.
6 out of 10, I'm feeling generous. It's Mawam, everyone's favorite sweet. Whoa, that is, keep wandering hands away from your wandering hands. I don't like that. Away from your favorite. I don't like the word wandering hands. It reminds me of a pervert. Keep your wandering hands away from. It's a cool little advert though, very playful, very cool. Love the transition between text and the swinging Mawam, that's really cool. It's very on brand for Mawam, I have to say, very on brand. Definitely eye-catching. Not so much, I think they would have been better starting with the keep wandering hands away from your favorite shoes. They would have been better starting with that because I feel like that's like a real big, bold piece of graphic. And then got rid of the make mischief with Mawam. Remember, it's always good to show your adverts to other people to see what they think. Don't just go by what the creator thinks works all the time.
To goof off. When will he learn?
5 out of 10. So apparently these are called Uniqlo. There's a store of these in Manchester. I have a t-shirt from them. Cool little advert. Don't quite. It's just a fashion advert. I don't know what it is. Apparel adverts are normally always so boring. This is what, how long is this? It's like 30 seconds of people just aimlessly wandering around, wearing the clothes and laughing with their friends. And pretty much, I can guarantee this, pretty much every single apparel ad you see, there will be some kind of vintage effect on the camera. That normally happens. It's very meh, but then again, what else can you do with apparel adverts? I'm not quite sure, but I don't think this is the right direction to go on. It feels a bit boring, feels a little bit slow, could have done better. I think I don't think this is a great ad for social. I can't see it working very well. It's too slow, there's nothing really happening. It's too logo driven and it's a poor advert. 3 out of 10, get out. And that's it for Marketers React this week. Thanks very much for watching. We'll do some more of these next week.